All right, today I'm going to teach you how to make a French 75 in 60 seconds. Here we go. So French 75 is typically lemon juice, gin, simple syrup with a splash of champagne on top. And in this variation, we're not going to use any sugar because my friend Gloria and I don't really care for sugar. Sometimes people use Saint Germain to sweeten it instead, and we don't have that, but to give it a little bit of a mock flavor like Saint Germain, I'm going to use 1 drop of orange blossom water, and that's something that you can pick up at any kind of a Middle Eastern market. So we just cut in half a fresh lemon. We squeeze it out right into the shaker. Add the little drop of orange blossom water, and then a little splash of gin. Oh, maybe a little more. Maybe a little more. Shake it, shake it, shake it. And then a champagne floater on top. And that's the perfect French 75. Cheers, big ears.
Same goes, big nose.